Play ball! Yeah! Ball! That's it! Need a dispenser here.
Here, brother! Come closer. You've stirred up hell. A man after my own heart. Here, I have a more suitable gun for you. You'll need it. Catch! Good. Now, keep it close. My advice to you is, aim for the head. Hush. They come. There is no rest in Ravenholm. Move on and I will meet you at the church. Return to your true nature.
Spencer here. Oh boy! Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Spencer boy! Yeah, boy! Spencer here. Spencer here, boy! Spencer here. Play ball! Spencer here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Spencer here.
How came you here, brother? This is the wrong side of town for you. Did I not tell you to seek the church? Mend your ways before it is too late.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh boy! Spencer here. Spencer here. Yeah. Yeah. Need a dispenser here.
Ah, there you are. At last. I will send the cart for you, brother. It will be but a moment. Patience, brother. Guard yourself well.
Yeah! Need a dispenser here! Yeah! Need a dispenser here! Yeah! Yeah! Dispenser here! Dispenser here!
Almost there, brother.
Dispenser here!
The handbrake, brother. Release it and come down. Brother, step into the cart.